I recently heard that your dream is often outside of your zip code, and that holds true for the BFCA Experience. We traveled to Daytona Beach, Florida to collaborate with the Mr. and Mrs. Mentoring Program to work with young women from the ages of 11 to 15 and discuss the importance of self-empowerment, self-motivation, and self-esteem as they continue their journey through life. Since launching the BFCA Experience, Marley has been dedicated to find young women that she can impact and give essential skills to the development of different phases of their life. And she was able to do just that by collaborating with their Mr. and Mrs. Mentoring Program in Daytona Beach, Florida. Marley worked with these young queens to develop and learn the importance of positive affirmations, as well as the power of breathing through a session of guided meditation. These young women came into this workshop not aware of their own value, but after going through the BFCA Experience, these young ladies recognize that they are valuable, that they are worthy, and that anything they want to accomplish is possible.